To achieve better precision and to work more easily without getting tangled in the hair, we separate both the sides and the back, starting from the right side of the front and moving towards the left side. This method helps to control the hairline and maintain continuity in the haircut. It starts at the back in the crown area and continues toward the front, passing through all the sections up to the forehead area. The use of parting paths allows for greater control over the direction and length of the hair, avoiding uneven cuts. This technique is used by professionals to maintain the structure and fluidity of the haircut, providing a precise and harmonious result. This cutting technique ensures uniformity and precision, allowing the creation of a balanced and well-defined structure. By aligning each strand to the previous one, we ensure that the length is constant.